Hello and welcome to Cebu. This is the Life of Pierre channel. This video is a part of our series DIY Bohol-Cebu trip. Tara, ikutin natin ang Cebu from the mountain to the city. Let's go! Our first stop will be the Temple of Leah. The Temple of Leah is one of the top cultural and historical sites in Cebu City. Hello! We're here at Temple of Leah. Ano pa? Hi Langga. Many call the temple the Taj Mahal of Cebu. Childerico Soriano Adarna had the Temple of Leah built for his late wife, Leah Albino Adarna. Their marriage lasted for more than 5 decades. Childerico and Leah are the grandparents of Ellen Adarna, a famous actress in the Philippines. Located in Barangay Busay, the Temple of Leah began construction in 2012. There are around 24 different chambers in the complex. These contain a library, an art gallery, a bar, and a museum, just to name a few. You will also see statues of lions, angels, and gladiators as you explore. You will see stone steps that lead to the portico and then the 10-foot-high statue of Leah found near the lobby. These are some of the informations about the Temple of Leah from the source Guide to the Philippines.ph. From each chamber, makikita natin ang iba't ibang collections ng mga antique jars, figurines, and portraits. We can also see their photographs in the lower chamber and witness the grandeur of the Temple of Leah, for it was built with love. It's good to be early dahil wala pa masyadong crowd na pumupunta dito. Mas makakapag-picture taking kayo and ma-enjoy ninyo ang ganda ng place. For me, as we visited this place, it feels like you are visiting a museum of love story of Sir Childerico and Ma'am Leah. Founded with great love and sharing it up to this generation and years to come. This is an expression of love, art, passion, and engineering, in which we are blessed to witness. Our next stop is the Little Kyoto. Sachiko's Little Kyoto is a Japanese restaurant with attractions of famous buildings and places in Japan.
Kyoto, Japan.
Kung kanina, para tayong nasa Greece, ngayon naman, let's have a taste of Japan. Ilan sa mga makikita natin na attractions dito ay ang Torii Gates, Sakura trees or cherry blossoms, and pagoda. Nandito rin ang statue ni Hachiko, ang famous na Japanese dog.
Sorry. Hoy, Sakura. Picture si Papa sa kilid niya. I-insert mama. Kuan. Edit.
At kung nais niyong kumain ng Japanese food, meron silang Cafe Nara and Kyoto Treats and a restaurant too. Sa bandang itaas naman, as we walked up towards the stairs, the path will lead you to go to Kyoto Treats section at sa restaurant area kung saan located din ang kanilang comfort room.
Siya. Wow, nice. Uy, nagkakit butterfly. Ay, mag... Hi! Na.
Nasa bandang itaas din ng Little Kyoto matatagpuan ang Lying Buddha and ang pagoda.
Okay yan, okay. Go.
Refreshing ang tanawin at maganda ang simoy ng hangin sa taas, kaya nag-relax kami ng konti habang tinatanaw ang view. Matapos naming ikutin ang Little Kyoto, it's time to go and proceed sa ating next destination, ang Sirao Pictorial Garden. But we will continue our journey in our next video. This is Pierre of the Life of Pierre channel. Salamat sa panonood and pagsusubaybay. See you in our next video. I hope you had fun. Thank you for watching and God bless.